Okay, guys, we're moving on to number 9. We skipped number 8. Number 8 is over the top. It's not something that we would need in our lives. You'll thank me later. But number 9 says, which value of A would make the expression 5 and 1/3 divided by 4 over A equivalent to a whole number? Now, a couple of vocabulary words to be aware of and remind ourselves about are equivalent, which also means equal, okay? And then whole number is a whole number, like one of these right here. There's no decimal attached, there's no fraction. It is a whole number. It's like having 5 whole $1 bills, okay? Whole. So what I recommend that we start with, because again, we're also preparing for our state test at the end of the year, and time is of the essence. So what I suggest that we do is we come over here and we rewrite our expression. So I'm going to do 5 and 1/3 divided by 4 over A. Okay, then I'm going to rewrite my problem, my mixed number to improper fraction. So denominator times whole number is 15 plus 1 more is 16 over 3 divided by 4 over A. So now that whoopsies, it looks like a Q. We don't want that, Amanda. So now we have 2 fractions, and now we're going to keep change flip. So we're gonna almost get to the end. Change division and multiplication, and then the reciprocal of 4 over A is A over 4. Okay? Okay. Now, if you're still with me, if you are still, oh my gosh, it looks like a 9, doesn't it, guys? I'm so sorry. A pretty little A. There we go. So, all right. Well, I'm going to keep going for a minute, okay? If I would simplify 16 and 4, I know 4 is a factor of 16, which makes it the greatest common factor of 16 and 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Okay? So essentially, what we're looking for is if I were to multiply, let's see my denominator, 3 times 1 is 3, 4 times A, whatever 4 times A is, divided by 3 would give me a whole number, okay? So we're going to start with 5. 4 times 5 is 20. Now, if you pull out your factor chart, you'll see that 3 is not a factor of 20. So I'm going to cross him out. 4 times 7 is 28. Now, if you look at your factor list again, you will also see that 3 is not a factor of 28. Okay, like if I were to multiply 4 times 7, I have 28. I'm just going to write it lightly, okay? If I divided this, that would not be a whole number because 3 does not go into 28. So that's a booger. I have 9 here, okay? So 4 times 9 is 36. Now I know 3 goes into 36, and I know that 36 divided by 3 is 12. That's a whole number. Okay, so let's hang on to C because we got to give this guy a chance over here. Let's say I do 11. 4 times 11 is 44. Okay, well the factors of 44, if we're all up to snuff right now, are 1, 2, 4, 11, 22, and 44. 3 does not go into 44. So we can hightail that one out of here. So it would be C, 9. And if I were to finish this problem, 4 times, make this a 9, which is funny. It kept looking like a 9 and it was a 9. 4 times 9 is 36. And when we divide, we get 12, which is a whole number. Love it.